the Impeller Robot Auto Welding Machine has the advantages of high efficiency, precision, and stability. The laser vision system is used to accurately guide each weld seam to control the weld trajectory. Then each blade is welded with 4 welds. This overcomes the challenges of previous robot training methods by quickly recognizing weld seams and adjusting weld offsets in real time to ensure optimal weld results. In addition, the machine's open system allows the welding parameters to be adjusted according to specific needs, ensuring optimal welding results for all products. It can quickly complete complex welding tasks, reduce manual operation errors, and welding quality is uniform. The manual welding quality is generally uneven, and the welding effect is not beautiful enough. The weld seam of the automatic welding machine will be stronger so that the blades inside the impeller will not fall off.